70% of companies that fail to adopt automation are projected to lose serious market share in the next 5 years. I mean, 70%. It's a completely staggering number. If you're a focused learner trying to map out exactly how the business landscape is shifting beneath our feet, well, you're absolutely in the right place. Every great business right now is essentially writing its own survival story, and we're at a totally critical turning point in that narrative. Today, we're unpacking the ultimate blueprint for modern business survival in the age of AI. We're going to see how integrating artificial intelligence isn't just some flashy luxury anymore. It's literally the foundation of staying alive and thriving in today's market. So let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. Because every great story needs a central conflict, right? And for the modern business owner, that central villain is obsolescence. The core message from our source material today is super direct and, honestly, a little bit chilling. Businesses that fail to adopt AI and automation risk falling fatally behind their competitors. There's just no sugarcoating it. It's a harsh reality we have to face head-on. If your daily operations look exactly the same today as they did, say, 5 years ago, you're already playing catch-up. The risk of becoming obsolete isn't some distant, theoretical thing anymore. It's a creeping reality for anyone ignoring the massive tech shifts happening right under our noses.
Let's put you directly into this picture for a second. You're probably intimately familiar with the old way. Think about that exhausting, heavy reality of just drowning in manual tasks. Tracking down leads by hand, scheduling appointments through endless, frustrating games of phone tag, or trying to manage inventory on some messy, sprawling spreadsheet. It drains your time, it saps your energy, and it actively eats away at your profit margins. Now, I want you to envision the new way. This is all about embracing the future with AI and automation. Imagine flawless, automated operations where all those mundane, repetitive tasks are just handled seamlessly in the background. It frees you up. It allows you to focus purely on high-level growth, strategy, and actually running your business. Honestly, it's night and day.
Section 1. Enter the tech partner.
Now, in any good narrative, when the hero, and that's you and your business, by the way, is facing an overwhelming challenge, a strategic guide arrives on the scene. According to our source material, that guide is a company called RapidApps. They're a custom AI-powered app and website development company. But here is the absolutely crucial takeaway. It's their dedication. They aren't just some IT vendor who drops off a piece of software, sends an invoice, and disappears. No, they are an innovative technology partner laser-focused on solving deep, structural business problems. Their entire mission is to help companies avoid that terrible fate of obsolescence. They do this by actively modernizing operations, driving up revenue, and seamlessly integrating AI right into your daily workflows. They're essentially the guide helping you navigate that tricky path from the old way to the new way.
Section 2. The AI and Automation Arsenal. Now, what's really interesting here is the actual arsenal this guide gives you to fight the battle. The front line of your business is your customer-facing tech. We're talking custom websites, mobile apps, customer portals, online booking platforms, e-commerce, the whole shebang. Because when a customer interacts with your business today, they don't just want a digital experience, they expect a totally frictionless one. Think about it. If they have to call you during business hours just to book a simple appointment, you aren't just frustrating them, you're basically handing them over to a competitor who makes it easier. RapidApps builds these custom front-end tools to create a closed ecosystem where generating leads and driving conversions happens automatically. It captures that interest the exact second your customer is ready to pull the trigger.
But hey, the front end is only half the story. The real magic? That happens in the back-end automation. We are talking about CRM systems, AI voice agents, chatbots, workflow automation, and AI business assistants. You have to think of this as your invisible, tireless workforce. While your slick new customer-facing tech brings people on the door, these back-end systems do all the heavy lifting. Just imagine an AI voice agent answering a complex customer question at 2 a.m. perfectly with a consistently friendly tone. Or picture workflow automation instantly dispatching a work order to your field team the exact second a payment clears. It's wild. It radically reduces labor costs, entirely eliminates human error, and ensures your business literally never sleeps.
Section 3. Empowering every industry. You might be sitting there thinking, okay, this all sounds great for a tech startup, but does it actually apply to my traditional business? Well, the sheer scope of this technology is staggering, and it empowers virtually every sector you can think of, from home services right through to retail. Let's look at a quick story to put that into perspective. Imagine a local HVAC company. With this tech, a technician out in their truck is guided by a custom mobile app for dispatching, checking parts inventory, and taking instant on-site payments. It completely transforms their day. Now, step into a totally different world, a high-powered law firm. That firm is using an AI business assistant to instantly summarize thousands of dense case files, while their clients use a highly secure, custom portal to upload sensitive documents. So, whether you're fixing a roof or closing a massive real estate deal, custom apps and AI are built to solve your specific, unique bottlenecks.
Section 4, the 24/7 Business Engine.
Let's move to and see how this builds into the ultimate resolution of our story. When you put that front-end tech and the back-end automation together for your specific industry, you get this highly logical sequential transformation. Step 1, you adopt the custom AI and apps tailored exactly to your unique problems. Step 2, you automate your workflows and those absolutely crucial follow-ups, so nothing ever falls through the cracks again. And finally, step 3, because your efficiency is through the roof and your costs are tightly controlled, you increase profits in scale. Notice the rigid sequence here? You literally cannot reach step 3 without first executing steps 1 and 2 in the modern age. It is a proven formula for success.
So what's the ultimate reward at the end of all this? The crucial takeaway here is how an integrated tech stack translates directly into a massive competitive advantage. Your business now operates 24/7. You're consistently generating more leads and closing way more sales. Your operations are lightning fast, your labor costs are significantly reduced, and follow-ups happen automatically without anyone lifting a finger. And because the whole experience is just flawlessly smooth, your customer retention naturally skyrockets. This isn't just about having cool tech for the sake of having cool tech. It's about fundamentally building a bulletproof, resilient business that survives and thrives no matter what the market throws at it.
And that brings us perfectly to the core philosophy of Rapid Apps. Rapid Apps, custom apps, websites, and AI solutions built for growth. It's confident, it's modern, and it is entirely results-driven. Our sources make it perfectly clear that they don't just position themselves as simple developers. No, they are the definitive architects for your future success. They build for growth, pure and simple, transforming your operations from the ground up. Which leaves us with the most important question of this entire explainer. Are you ready to build for growth? The narrative of modern business is moving incredibly fast right now, and the tools you need to survive and thrive are readily available. The only question left is whether you'll step up, adopt the AI blueprint, and become the hero of your own business story, or let that creeping villain of obsolescence win. The choice is completely yours. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer today. I really hope this sparked some serious ideas for modernizing your own operations. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you next time.